To enable or disable LHDC on Google Pixel 11, first you can open Settings on your phone. And in here in Settings, if you go to Connected Devices, and if you have your LHDC Bluetooth device paired with your Google Pixel 11, or connected of course, then you can go to Settings and you can check if you have the HD audio option in here. Most likely you will not have it in here, so in that case, if you don't have that option, we're gonna go back to Settings and we're gonna go to About Phone. Here in About Phone, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to keep tapping on the build number and then enter your screen lock password. By doing so, you will activate developer options. So once you see you are now a developer, you want to go back to Settings again, and this time choose System Settings. And over here in System Settings, you should be able to find Developer Options. Now, after going to Developer Options, we need to scroll down again, and this time we are looking for the Bluetooth option, which is over here in the Networking section. And now in Bluetooth settings, here we can find HD audio and the Bluetooth audio codec that is currently in use. So in that case, we do have LHDC over here, which you can switch to anything else, or you can just completely turn off HD audio and, for example, use SBC. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, it is very hidden deep in these settings. I'm not sure why, but this is how it looks like on Pixel 11. Leave a like and subscribe.